Hey, it's Kathryn with Park Hopper Daily, and I am back with another Daily Dish Home Edition. I have been fortunate enough to stay at Disney's Yacht Club Resort, and it has fast emerged as one of my favorite places to stay on property. The location, access to Stormalong Bay, the ease of walking to Epcot and the boardwalk, and excellent quick service at the market at Ale & Compass, and really great food at Ale & Compass itself have made this a standout resort for my family. One place we made reservations to check out just prior to the pandemic was the Yachtsman Steakhouse. And when I say canceling that reservation was painful, I am not exaggerating. The Yachtsman Steakhouse is a signature dining restaurant and largely considered the best steakhouse on property, unless you count Shula's Steakhouse in the nearby Swan Resort. When the dining plan is in place, this is a 2-credit restaurant, and when paying cash, this will not be an affordable meal, but certainly memorable and a great place to spend a special occasion when it does reopen to the public. For many years, I have made a potato dauphinoise recipe, courtesy of the late Anthony Bourdain's Les Halles cookbook. This week, I tackled a side dish in my tour of Pam Brandon's Delicious Disney, and that is the Potato Gruyere Gratin from Yachtsman Steakhouse. This rich, creamy, and herbaceous side dish is a perfect complement for any steak night at home. I recommend enjoying it with a salad topped with a sharp vinegar-based dressing. And while Bourdain remains one of the writers who will continue to inspire me through the work he created prior to his passing, I have to admit I may be ditching his potato recipe for this new dish, which has very similar flavors and was a family favorite over a special holiday meal recently. Okay, that's enough with the talk. Let's get started. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and spray a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with a nonstick cooking spray. Set that aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic and 1.5 tablespoons of minced shallots and cook, stirring frequently for about 3 minutes. Add a sprig of fresh thyme and 3 cups of heavy cream. Bring the heavy cream to a simmer over medium heat. Add a teaspoon of salt and white pepper and reduce that heat to medium-low. You're going to simmer this for about 15 minutes or until the cream is reduced in half. You're going to take that mixture, pour it into a large bowl, and strain out the garlic, shallots, and thyme from the cream. In the same pan, you're going to melt 2 teaspoons of butter over medium heat. Add 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and whisk until smooth. You're creating a roux here. Now you're going to slowly pour your cream mixture and whisk constantly until this begins to bubble and thicken. Turn off your heat. Stir in 1 cup of shredded Gruyere cheese until melted. Add salt to taste and set aside. Prior to making your cream mixture, you will have taken 3 pounds of russet potatoes, peeled them, and very thinly sliced them. I recommend using a mandolin, but please be careful. Mandolins are very sharp and there can be a lot of kitchen accidents using them. Take 1/3 of those potatoes and place them in the bottom of your prepared pan, making sure to cover the full bottom of the pan. Sprinkle with a 1/4 cup of Gruyere cheese. Top with a second layer of potatoes and another 1/4 cup of Gruyere cheese. Add the remaining potatoes and pour your cream sauce over the whole dish, spreading it evenly. Sprinkle the remaining Gruyere cheese on top of the potatoes. Cover your pan with foil and bake the dish for 35 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes or until your potatoes are really nice and tender and the cheese is starting to bubble and brown on top. Garnish with thyme and definitely let this set for at least 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it. That is the Potato Gruyere Gratin from the Yachtsman Steakhouse. Again, I definitely recommend making this side dish. It's perfect for a holiday spread and something really the whole family will enjoy. Thanks for tuning in again. This is Kathryn with Park Hopper Daily, and I will see you real soon.